welcome to Croatia Split. I've just got here. I literally have come straight down to their so-called beach, which looks like rocks. I'm gonna go for a swim and lay in the sun and just relax for the rest of the afternoon. Alright, so I've quickly gotten changed. Now I'm heading up to Marin Hill to get up to the top of it for the lookout point to get sunset. I'm kind of going to be a bit late, but it's going to be quiet because Croatia's playing today, so I thought it'd be a smart idea to do it now. Now that is an incredible viewpoint of the city and all these beautiful mountains in the background. So pretty. So I just had some dinner and these weird donut things everywhere, so I thought I'd get them. I'm not going to be able to do a show and tell because I can't eat and talk and walk, but I'm sure they'll be good. And look at how beautiful this evening is. So pretty. Alright, so it is day 2 here in Split. I've got a full day. I've started the day a little bit late because Croatia won the won one of the games in the World Cup and everyone was beeping horns all night. So I had a bit of a sleep in. So I'm going to explore the palace this morning and see what's in there. Fun facts about this old town is that it actually has the oldest cathedral in the world. It was built in 7 AD, which is just amazing that somewhere like Croatia has the oldest cathedral in the world. Absolutely amazing. on some like local markets. It seems to be like all the locals buying fruit, fresh fruit and veg, but there's like all these side ones and they're selling like all hot food and it just smells so amazing and all the fruit looks so beautiful and fresh and they all have the similar stuff, so obviously it's all local produce and it's beautiful. So I went into a local bakery and got one of the local delights. It's like I don't even know what it is, to be honest. It kind of looks like a phyllo, but I don't think it is. It's filled with spinach and cheese, so. Yum. That's really beautiful. So you may have noticed my new addition, my hat. So I wouldn't say I got trapped by it. I really wanted to get a new hat because we were rocking the same hat for way too long. So I brought a hat. It was pretty expensive, like for a market hat, but it actually does feel good quality. So I'd probably pay that price in Australia for a hat anyway. But one thing I have really missed in Europe is these cute little markets. Sorry, 1 minute. They have like all the markets everywhere just to buy like little things like sunglasses or just cheap sunglasses. So you might buy a few more little souvenirs to keep along the way. So we have come down to like a beach club down by the beach and we're just enjoying the beautiful water and it's a great day. So I'm really sorry I've been super slack with vlogging here in Split. It has been absolutely beautiful. I just had a relaxing day yesterday. I literally did not leave the hotel room because today I'm heading on a boat for a week. But I hope you've enjoyed the parts that I have seen. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's really a cool little like island, no, what's the word? A cool little seaport town. It's really beautiful. There's lots of things to see and do. And the coastline is absolutely amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next part of my trip. So please subscribe to Finding Tori to see where you can find me next.